When the very strong easterly winds are blowing, most of the boaties stay at home, as you can see. But the wise people know that if you stay close to the sand dunes and close to the shore, it's not that windy. With today's thermometer expected to hit 36 degrees, it's time to get the jet skis out and do some coastal touring. The first thing we're going to do today is head down to OConnor Beach. We've heard that there is a school of hammerhead sharks frequenting the area, so hopefully we can see them. This bronze statue of a man on a horse is a representation of OConnor. Apparently this is the place where he rode his horse into the water and shot himself. Unfortunately, it seems that those hammerheads have found a very good hiding spot, because we can't find them. We're now heading down to our fitness training area to do a bit of swimming against the tide on the health spa, and then a bit of jogging up and down the beach. Great stuff. I took this footage on our way down the river and out into the ocean this morning. This is an area where a swimmer was attacked by a 2 to 3 metre bull shark. This area is called the Blackwall Reach, and it's a place where a lot of people swim and spend a lot of time, and I certainly have through the years. And this is the first attack that we've experienced in at least the last 50 years. Not good. Sadly, the time has come when we must turn our tails and head for home. And as always, if you can, never, never, ever, ever let it end.